Okay, let's start. So again, very pleased to be with you today. Today we are going to have a very first session, which we'll have every 2 months. The purpose is to make demos of Odigo features, which can be of course of interest for you, and you could potentially duplicate when presenting Odigo to your customers. So basically, we are going to show you how we demo some features in Odigo so that you can replicate that anytime. Before we do this, I'd like to spend 2-3 minutes reminding you some information sources which we make available to you. So, well, you know that our purpose is to maximize enablement of our partners. This goes through 4 different sources. The first one is trainings. So you should know that we have elaborated an offering on trainings which relies on a certification portal plus ad hoc live sessions. This is something which is available and allows you to be upskilled on Odigo. Next, we also have pre-sales resources which are very valuable and are available on the partners portal. If you have not visited it yet, you should go to it. You have around 200 documents which are available. We also have an RFP redaction service which is very powerful when you need to redact an answer, and a lot of features are available on the portal. Opportunities registration is there, pricing tools are there. That's the place where to go in the pre-sales phase. Next, well, this specific pre-redaction tool is also available online. It's very easy to use, very powerful. In a few clicks, you can select the items which you want to include in your answer, and this will automatically generate a default answer which you will just need to customize. And finally, when it comes to development phases, you should know that all the technical information of Odigo is available online in what we call the Help Center. If you have never visited the Help Center, ask for an access. That's something which we can give you easily. All the technical documentation is there, so if you want to know anything about our APIs or whatever, you will find it there. So basically, that's the sources of information which will enable you to well, basically sell the product and deliver services. But today we're going to focus on demos, and here Mathilde is going to show you how we pitch bots, multi-channel bots.
Yes, thank you, Philippe, for the introduction. So I'm Mathilde. I'm in the Odigo Demo Support team. So today we are going to show you some demos. So we have for you 2 user stories, which will explain you how we integrate bots in our solution Odigo Contact Center. So the first user story will be on Callbot in the retail sector, and the second will be on Chatbot in the bank sector. So don't waste time, and let's start with the first user story, which is Find Your Advisor Angel. So yes, we can go to the next slide. For all the demo we will show you today, we created fake companies. So in this sector, in the retail sector, we have Orama Retail. And so today, Orama Retail has his problem at his issue is that they want to reduce the load of the agent on call. So we propose Odigo Virtual Agent to detect the reason of your customer and to be more efficient. So for this issue, we have the story, which is Paul. He is annoyed because he went to his pickup shop and the pickup shop did not receive his parcel. So he wants to call the retail Callbot. So go to the next slide. In this demo, we have Paul, or Orama retail customer, and we have Julia, or Orama retail advisor. And so the customer will use Callbot interaction, and the agent will use a voice channel and a widget with bot transcription. So let's see now the demo. So I let you Cecile start the video.
Hello and welcome to Orama Retail. How can I help you?
The pickup shop did not receive my parcel.
I understand that you have a delivery problem. We will look into it together. Can you give me your order number?
Yes, it's GX63792.
I see that your order should be delivered to the pickup shop Finstead Pharmacy, 193 Hoxton Street in London. Is that right?
Yes.
The delivery was made today at 10:30 a.m. Have you collected your parcel?
No, they didn't have it.
I understand that the pickup shop did not have your package. Hold on, we'll put you in touch with an advisor.
Let's see now how your agent, your advisor, will be able to handle the request received from the Orama Retail Callbot from the Odigo console. Here, the agent, Julia, has been selected to handle a call. This call is related to her delivery skill. The interaction that the customer has lost his parcel is raised by the bot. She picks up the call. She is now in communication. A notification appears on the left side of the voice channel. By clicking on it, the customer file of the caller appears automatically. Here you have our Customer Information 360 interface, which is an Odigo customer database. You can see on the left-hand side information about your customer. In the center, we have a history of the customer's exchange with your services. And on the right, we find the customizable area, which aims to display useful information according to the context of the call. In our case, Julia has access to the transcript of the exchange the customer had with the Orama Retail bot. We are on April 17. It's now 15:40. Julia will be able to continue the call by having all the information that the customer gave to the bot. The customer order number, Hello, Paul. Julia Liman from Orama Retail at your service.
So I hope you enjoyed this first video demo. So we go now to the next story, the perfect gift. So in this story, we have Orama Bank, which they want to reduce overall waiting time. So for this issue they have, we propose them an Odigo virtual agent, which will be which is able to get the customer business data to help to reply to the question of the client. So we propose you a story, which is Jeff is a travel lover. He loves Christmas, and for Christmas he wants to give the perfect gift to his parents to go to Italy. It's a country he loves to go, Jeff, and he thinks that he have a limit, payment limit on his card, so he wants to to check his limit to be able to give this gift. So in this story, we have Jeff, an Orama Bank customer, and we have Julia, an Orama Bank advisor. And so Jeff will use a chatbot interaction, and Julia will use the live chat messaging we have on Orama and the outgoing calls. So I let you watch now the video demo.
Jeff, an Orama Bank customer, wants to increase his card payment limit for this festive period. He goes to Orama Bank website. After 5 minutes of browsing his customer area, a chatbot is activated to offer help. Jeff writes his question. Automatically, the chatbot understands the customer's intention to change his card limit. The chatbot requests for customer maximum limit to Orama Bank customer server. Jeff wants to give his parents a trip to Italy to visit his favorite country. So he needs to exceed his €3,000 limit. Some action can be handled end-to-end by the customer in self-care, but others require verification by your advisor. In this case, the bot suggests that Jeff contact an advisor to change his card limit together. Odigo give to your customer the capability to join your advisor by different channels. Your customer can choose his best channel depending on his personal experience and on the waiting time. Here, Jeff chooses the live chat messaging, where an advisor is available in less than 30 seconds. Let's see now how your agent, your advisor, will be able to handle the requests received from the Orama Bank chatbot on the Odigo console. Julia Liman has been selected to handle a chat interaction. A notification appears on the left-hand side of the live chat channel. By clicking on it, we can see the exchange that the customer had with the Orama Bank chatbot. This interaction is forwarded to her because it's related to her skill, payment limits management. On this screen, a pop-up with the customer's information appears. This data is a summary of the customer file available in our Odigo Customer Information 360 tool, which is an Odigo customer database that provides basic information about Orama Bank customer, a history of customers' interaction with Orama Bank services, and a direct access to Orama Bank tool which are contextualized with customer data. Here, Julia has access to Jeff's customer details in the Orama Bank CRM. She sees that he tried to pay $4,500, but his card limit is at $3,000. These 3 last days, he spent $386.50. In the Orama Bank CRM, Julia can do quick action depending on the customer need. Julia had all the information about Jeff's situation. She can give the best answer to his need. The reply assistant allows agents to respond more quickly to messages with the right speech. With this feature, Julia asks Jeff if he needs anything else. The agents are able to see the customer's response in live, which allows them to anticipate their response and be more efficient. Seeing that Jeff has to leave the chat interaction, Julia suggests switching to a phone call. The agent, thanks to Mr. Jeff's customer folder, calls the customer directly and continues the exchange. Hi, Jeff. It's Julia Lehmann from Orama Bank.
So I hope you enjoy this second demonstration. So now I let the hand to Philippe to conclude.
Thank you, Mathilde. Well, thank you for attending today. We received a couple of questions through the chat. So I'm going to ask you, Mathilde. One first question is, can we use Dialogflow combined with Odigo? Is there some way to use Dialogflow behind Odigo?
Yes. So the idea is that today, to realize this demo, we used Concierge with Dialogflow, and it's possible to use Concierge with Watson Assistance EBM or Dialogflow. And if you want to do this demo on your side, it's nice to develop the bot part, and then we will include your bot development in Odigo.
Okay, good. Well, again, all the literature regarding the integration with Odigo is available on the Help Center, so that's a place where you can find it. Additionally, the videos we showed you today will be uploaded onto the Partners Portal, so if you want to replay that in front of a customer, that's also something which is possible. So we hope you enjoyed this first session. We plan to get a second one in a couple of months. It will be probably dedicated to the integration with Teams. You should know that our integration allows, of course, to play Teams voice into Odigo, but also to play the Odigo experience into Teams for some users. Which is a pretty convenient feature for people who are not agents but want to be able to take a few calls from time to time. So that should be an interesting second session, and I hope you'll be able to join. Thank you for your attention today. If you have any more questions, let us know. But otherwise, we are going to finish this session for today. Thank you.